Monday morning, minus 20. Not much wind, it's 29 and 30 with the wind chill, so the winter has hit us. So I just want to show you a very common problem with Thomas C2 conventionals. See the alarm going off? It's a good old Vandalock. So now they won't start either. So driver came in. The engine was running, so you won't have a problem till he tries to start the engine again, and the alarm won't go off though while he's driving. So that was just his complaint. So somehow, probably open the door and close it, and so the biggest issue is in the back here. It's this lever in the bottom. When you close the door, this is separate. This little pin that contacts. There's a switch, bolts to the body. So what happens when you close the door? It grabs this lever below it. It's separate, and then it pushes it against the switch, which of course the bus won't start. It's the Vandalock when you're on a field trip or something. Push this in, you lock the door, and the bus won't start. So the only thing you have to do is pull it back, and you're not contacting the switch anymore, and the alarm goes off. And we'll go up front. There's two buses this morning had this exact problem. The C2s. So that's something that happens a lot, so I wanted to share it. And sure as heck in the cold weather, it's kind of a greasy lube on these. And the grease thickens up and everything sticks. So an easy problem to fix as long as you look in the right spot.
Alpha 7733.